Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is episode 4 of Make the G8 Great Again, and this is the final episode. What you see right here is that I'm driving the car to its new home. I actually found a buyer for it. We have it up to speed, 79 miles an hour. It's running great, no shakes or rattles, and it's good to go to its next home. So with this G8, we did the brake pads and rotors on all 4 corners. We did a brand new windshield, we did wiper blades, put a new battery in it, replaced the alternator, a new serpentine belt. I bled and topped off the coolant. We have a fresh oil change and filter, new sway bar end links. I replaced all of the blown light bulbs, and of course I cleaned it up a bit. So this car found its new home. While I was finishing up the repairs, I had one last thing that was nagging me before I wanted to sell it. There was a rattle coming from the front suspension. So I called up my uncle, who is a very good mechanic, and he's also a licensed carpenter. And I'm like, hey, take a look at this with me. I can't figure it out. Like, I'm trying to get this amount of money for this car. This is the last thing holding me up. And he said, okay, I'll buy the car. And he literally bought it on the spot. So money wise, I spent $500 on the G8, and overall my estimate is that I spent about $1,200 in parts. So I have $1,700 into the car, and I ended up selling it for $2 grand, which I thought was a fair price because the car does have a lot of miles and it's seen better days. But it's a great runner and it's in good hands, and I believe my uncle is actually going to continue working on the car and get it to where it's perfect. In the previous episode of Make the G8 Great Again, I retrieved all of the change from the car when cleaning it. So I finally took the time to clean the change, sort it, and count it. $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $70, $80, $90, $1, $110, $120, $130, $140, $150, $160, $170, $180, $190. So that's $290. That's $390. That's $490. This is 50 cents. So that's $5.40 in a nickel. $5.45 retrieved out of the G8. So this is officially the end of Project Make the G8 Great Again. We saved this car from being parted out or headed to a junkyard. Is now going to give someone a couple more years of good service. So this was a success. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.